Oh, let me show this to you. This is the one that I installed yesterday. Yeah, I am a little bit worried because it's just a 3M sticker. Yeah, double adhesive tape. I hope it will stay forever. I actually have umbrella, but I didn't use. And we are now here in the Roywood Reserve. But yeah, you don't really see it. Oh, you can still see it clearly. And at the moment there are some people here in their car, also here on the other side, and I'm just going to have my coffee. Another thing, I actually have this premium original, yeah, crackers. This like sky flakes in the Philippines. This really is a big help. As you can see at the moment, it is I mean, my window is open. Yeah. So there is no pug at the moment. Yo, good morning guys. It is already 15 minutes to 10 o'clock, and I am day of today and tomorrow also. And now I am planning of going somewhere, driving around, camping. But I have no solid plan like always. I am actually very hungry already, but I don't have any food in here because I was planning to buy groceries tomorrow when I come back from my camping or my driving. But I can't really decide where to go. And now I am end up boiling this water, and I'm going to cook I have this spaghetti. This is the cream that I cooked yesterday. Yeah, I'm just going to take some for future cooking. And the rest I will use this for this one. Okay, this is what I have. I still can't decide of where to go, but I am now here at the moment at the Salamander Bay Shopping Center. And today I am going to break my promise of not eating in the restaurant. Yeah, because I am really hungry this time. This is $11, but I can't finish it. I end up getting this one. This is just $2.99. I have this Pringles, but I changed my mind. This Pringles is $2.49, but I don't like anymore. I'm going to take this instead. Yeah, this is just $1.99. 230 grams of this chips. I am also going to get this lamington. Yeah, this is the Australia trademark. $2.49. I am going to get one of this sleeping bag. This 0 degrees centigrade. Yeah, and because the others, they are expensive. The 2 degrees negative 2 degrees negative 2. Yeah, and this is $49. Expensive, but it's okay. Okay, and now we are heading to somewhere in Karowa River. Karowa River, if you see that one in the Nelson Bay area, that sea, that is actually the mouth of the Karowa River. And at the moment we are here in the rest area. Yeah, there are many people there near the toilet. I think they are a family, and there are more other cars. I stopped here because I'm going to check my destination. We're going to find a camping site on that side of Karowa River. And you know, if you're going to camping in New South Wales, in the national parks. Yeah, it is free, but you need to book, and it costs $6. Yeah, it is not basically the booking just started because of the COVID. Yeah, it was introduced last year or 2 years ago, when the lockdown has started, restriction and etc. Yeah, and so now you need to register, and that is what I am going to do now. It is written in here, this location is a pre-campground. However, a booking fee of $6 per site applies. Money collected will be used to manage campground numbers and improve your safety. Look at this, we are now here in this kind of road. I believe this is still a road because I can see that there are some yeah, a mark of the tire of the car. And look at this. Am I going up there? I'm not really sure, but I will go, because in the map it is showing that there is still a road. Oh, I'm actually in the wrong way. Yeah, okay, we'll go back. Yeah, I checked the Google map and it's different way, because I'm following this one, but it actually already ends, and then I just keep on going, and then I check on my Google map, and I am actually already in the wrong way. Oh, look at this, it's scary. They are going through this water. I don't know how deep is that water. Oh, it's deep. It's actually deep. Yeah, I feel it that it's deep. Look at that, there is one car. Maybe that one explode. Yeah, burn. I don't know if you can hear that sound. There are so much kind of stones, small stones that is yeah, hitting the roof of the tire. There is this kind of bridge. Oh, there is water this big. I'm going to check it. I can do that. And we are here now in the Karua National Park, Tattersall camping area. Just 1 kilometer according to the Google map. And we reached the place. Yeah, there's no one here. I am alone here. But there is actually a toilet. And down here, there is kind of a oyster farm. I don't know if that's oyster farm. And yeah, this river is connected to the Karawa River in Nelson Bay. I'm actually going to get the car, and I will be staying just here, somewhere here. That area is the actual camping space. Okay, so yeah, these are the things that I bought in the grocery. There is this fire pit. Look at that. It is floating. Yeah, created by nature. And there is one, I think this is kookaburra. Maybe not. I'm going to make a copy. Actually, this one is still hot. Okay, later. Yeah, this one is still hot. I may copy later. Yeah, I should come here earlier so that I'm able to walk around here and explore the place really. But no, I am late. The sun actually already set down on that side. I will be sleeping here in the car. And so I need to set it up now. And this is actually 0 degrees centigrade. Yeah, it's very thick. This is actually thicker than comforter. And of course my pillow. That's all I need. And to be honest, I'm a little bit scared of a place like this, that I am alone. Yeah. But yeah, I can't do it. Yeah, I believe this place is far from the first house. Because along the way, there is no house. Yeah, to get here. Yeah. It is still bright outside, but yeah, I feel like staying inside here now. I'll close this window now.